Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you read the thumbnail, you already know what we're getting into today. Today we're going to build a closet organizer, or simply a dream closet. Before we dive into this video,
if you haven't already, go ahead and tap that subscribe button.
Let's get to it. A lot of the cuts are specific to the size of this closet, so I'll do my best to try to call out all the details, and then maybe you could change some dimensions and make it your own. This organizer will have his and hers recessed dressers, places to put dresses, suits, pants,
shirts, over 30 shoe racks, and much more.
This is an 8-foot by 12-foot closet. Before we begin to build anything, of course, you have to demo. That includes removing the baseboard, pulling up the carpet, removing all the tack strips, taking down the clothes rack, then repairing any damage done to the wall or the floor. So the homeowner really had a thing for upscale closet organization. So do yourself a favor and stick around to see how the final product turned out. Since all of the demo work is finally finished, now we can build. So the first step was building the base. My base consisted of 3 pieces, and those pieces ran around the edge of the room. So the next step was anchoring these guys to the studs. Next, we're going to add 3/4 inch thick plywood on the top of our bases. We're going to attach those with interior wood screws. So of course this organizer is going to be pretty tall. So we're going to use liquid nails and fastening screws for added support. I cut 7-inch spacers from 2x4s to make sure the shoe shelves were equally spaced. So each shelf was fastened using pocket holes. This Craig pocket hole jig was clutch. I mean, there was so many pocket holes I can do without seeing another pocket hole for a while. Using 220 grit, I sanded all surfaces that could potentially be touched. And yeah, that's a lot of surfaces. Like, a lot. So the next step was to caulk all corners. This helps give it a smooth finish. Next, we're adding trim to the edge of every shelf, vertical and horizontal. As much as I like painting, I will say this took the longest. Doing multiple coats, this took about 2.5 gallons of paint. After adding the vinyl flooring, closet rods, additional shelves, and base trim, I think we're ready to look at the final product, man. I made y'all wait long enough. Now that's what I'm talking about. Now you know we're just trying to spread some confidence. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.